In this video, I'm going to show you how to melt Crayola crayons on a canvas. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you a tutorial on how to melt Crayola crayons onto a canvas. So, for this project, you will need some Crayola crayons, of course. You'll also need a canvas. Now, for my project, as you can see, I painted my canvas black. So, you will need some black acrylic paint, a paintbrush. You will also need some hot glue to be able to glue your crayons onto your canvas. You will also need a heating tool and some Podge spray to spray on after you have your finished look. You also will need some type of cardboard, some type of poster board to catch all of the crayons that drip down off of your canvas. Let's get crafting now. All right, I'm gonna roll up my sleeves just a tad. So the first thing that you will need to do is paint your canvas black. Now I went ahead and already have done that ahead of time. Next, after your canvas is painted and dried, you can go ahead and glue your Crayola crayons onto your canvas using your hot glue gun. Let's do that now. Now that all of the crayons are glued into place, we're now ready to grab our heat tool and melt the crayons onto the canvas. This is my most favorite part of all. Bringing your heat tool close to your crayons will begin to melt. This is where the magic begins. As the heat tool heats up the crayons and as you continue to keep your canvas upright, the crayon, melted crayon that is, will flow down your canvas. This creates such a beautiful, awesome, abstract art. I love this because no matter how many times that you put your crayons in the exact same order on different canvases, you will still create a very unique piece of art. Now, as you're moving your heat tool back and forth across the crayons, please remember not to keep your heat tool in one particular place too long, because remember, your crayons still have paper on them, so you do not want to burn the paper that is on your crayons. So continue to move your heat tool back and forth, up and down, and let the crayon flow through your canvas to create a beautiful, beautiful abstract art. Now I'm going to wait a few moments to allow the melted crayons to harden just a tad. And after that, I'm going to spray this canvas with Mod Podge spray. Now that the melted crayons is now hardened, I can go ahead and spray my canvas with Mod Podge spray. I'm not only going to spray the melted crayon portion, I'm also going to spray the crayons itself. Here is my completed melted Crayola crayon artwork. I'll see you in the next one and subscribe for more.